Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the 2FA not working on Coinbase error. Now the two-factor authentication is your two-factor authentication not working on Coinbase. Here's how to fix it safely. Now, before we start, in order to join the Coinbase platform, before you do, Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, and transferring and storing cryptocurrency. And if you'd like to join this platform, you're gonna go to coinbase.com or download the Coinbase app on your mobile device via the Play Store or App Store. Once you download it, you're gonna click on the sign in button and make sure to enter your account's credentials. And if you haven't created an account already, you can click on create an account by clicking on get started and enter the necessary information. Now after you set up your account, to set the if you're facing the two-factor authentication not working error, you're gonna check the time sync. Now if you're using Google Authenticator or similar apps, make sure your phone's time is set automatically because incorrect time causes invalid codes. So make sure to do that. You can also double check the code. Make sure you're entering the newest 6-digit codes before it expires, and try the backup codes. If you saved backup codes when setting up the two-factor authentication, use one of them. You can also request a two-factor authentication request. If you lost access to your Authenticator app, click Try Another Way on the login screen and start the recovery process. And also, you can complete the identity verification. Coinbase may require ID verification to reset the 2FA, so always store backup codes securely when setting up the two-factor authentication. It saves you from long recovery processes, and that's it. That's how we fix the two-factor authentication not working on Coinbase in 2026. And if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.